A detection dog or sniffer dog is a dog that is trained to use its senses to detect substances such as explosives, illegal drugs, wildlife scat, currency, blood, and contraband electronics such as illicit mobile phones. The sense most used by detection dogs is smell. The smell from the detection dogs are more enhanced than the average dog. They are trained to have this great sense of smell. Hunting dogs that search for game and search dogs that work to find missing humans are generally not considered detection dogs. There is some overlap, as in the case of cadaver dogs, trained to search for human remains. A police dog is essentially a detection dog that is used as a resource for police in specific scenarios such as conducting drug raids, finding missing criminals, and locating stashed currency. Frequently, detection dogs are thought to be used for law enforcement purposes. However, they are also used as a valuable research tool for wildlife biologists. In California, detection dogs are trained to discover quagga mussels on boats at public boat ramps because they are a harmful invasive species for the environment. Detection dogs also tend to be employed for the purposes of finding and collecting the feces of a diverse array of species, including caribou, black-footed ferret, killer whale, and Oregon spotted frog. This process is known as wildlife scat detection. Detection dogs are also seeing use in the medical industry, as studies have revealed that canines are able to detect specific odors associated with numerous medical conditions, such as cancer. Detection dogs have been trained to search for many things, both animate and inanimate, including one notable quality of detection dogs is that they are able to discern individual scents even when the scents are combined or masked by other odors. In 2002, a detection dog foiled a woman's attempt to smuggle marijuana into an Australian prison in Brisbane. The marijuana had been inserted into a balloon, which was smeared with coffee, pepper and petroleum jelly and then placed in her bra. Detection dogs are often specially trained by handlers to identify the scent of bedbugs. With the increased focus on green pest management and integrated pest management, as well as the increase in global travel and shared living accommodations, bedbugs have become more prevalent. Detecting bedbugs is a complicated process because insects have the ability to hide almost anywhere. Detection dogs help solve this problem because of their size, speed, and sense of smell. Detection dogs use their unique ability to smell in parts per trillion in order to track bedbugs. In every phase of their life cycle, they can find bugs in places humans cannot, such as wall voids, crevices, and furniture gaps. Dogs are also a safer alternative to pesticide use. If detection dogs can find out exactly where bedbugs are located, they can minimize the area that needs to be sprayed. The National Pest Management Association released their Bedbug Best Management Practices in 2011, which outlines the minimum recommendations regarding not only treatment, but the certification and use of bedbug detection canines. The NPMA's Best Management Practices emphasizes the importance of having bedbug detection dog teams certified by third-party organizations who are not affiliated to the trainer or company that sold the canine. Scientists at the University of Kentucky reviewed studies on bedbug detection dogs and concluded that although expensive for operators, they are a reliable source as long as they undergo the proper training. In another study, detection dogs had a 97.5% correct positive indication rate on identifying bedbugs and their eggs, with 0 false positives, all while accurately distinguishing them from carpenter ants, cockroaches, and termites. They also successfully differentiated alive bedbugs and viable bedbug eggs from dead bedbugs, cast skins, and feces with a 95% correct positive indication rate. Bedbug detection dogs should be certified by a national organization like the World Detector Dog Organization or the National Entomology Scent Detection Canine Association. There are a few independent canine bedbug inspection companies that have multiple certifications. Scat is abundant in the wild and contains valuable data. Wildlife scat detection represents a fairly non-invasive method of study for many species where live capture once predominated. compared with other methods of scat collection. Dogs are able to survey larger areas in less time at decreased costs. Research shows that detection dogs can find laboratory rats and mice in a large rodent-free area of 32 hectares, which is extremely large in size. Some specific types of feces that detection dogs have had success in identifying include killer whale feces, northern spotted owl pellets, and salamanders. In 2001, the Australian state of New South Wales introduced legislation that granted police with the power to use drug detect